Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Today I'll show you InBefore news aggregator with search engine. This is our admin panel. You can see dashboard, delete order post. Hello. Delete order post, subject phone job, then Facebook comment, then page. You can create page, your page data all here. You can edit and delete also. Then gallery, you can attach gallery, upload gallery file. This all files supported maximum size. Then user, create user data, user edit, delete also. Then rules, you can create rules, edit, delete, and user view. Agency, create, edit, delete. Then category, create, edit, delete, RSS. Then field, create, refresh, edit, and delete all field in here. Then post, all contain in here. You can edit and delete and can create new post. Then customize theme, then plugins, settings, so many options. General settings, site, social, service, email, then advertisement, theme option, then account settings. You can customize your account. If you want this software, check out link in the description below. Thank you.